Hey, good morning or good afternoon, depending on where you are in the world. Fired up and grateful. Just got off an amazing morning mastermind call. Took lots of notes. I want to come out here and share with you all the golden nuggets. There were so many golden nuggets from everybody, but Magical Mike, I like to call it Magical Monday with Mike. You know, he's a leader and a mentor that I absolutely love and know personally. That's always learning and growing, and that's what a real leader does. They're always learning and growing in the process of what they're becoming. And Jesse was talking about today is that people don't believe, they don't believe in themselves, right? They might not feel like they need to change or they need to improve themselves. It might be a difficult task. And that's so true. But you got to remember that change doesn't happen overnight. It's about planting seeds. It's about taking consistent and persistent action each and every day. It's that seed that needs to be watered, right? It needs to be nurtured so it can grow. And that's what we are. Don't think that success happens overnight. It doesn't happen overnight. A lot of times we see people that are successful. You didn't see all the work and all the time that they put into that. So remember that. A quote that Jim wrote, not make your work easier, make yourself better. That's a great quote. That was from Brett. You know, so true. You know, working on yourself is uncomfortable, but it's so important. And another golden nugget that I learned today, give me 1 second here, guys, is what you're doing right now is important, right? And it's so powerful than what you know. It's so crazy that many people don't know about this call. And what really fires me up is that these have come from people from all across the globe come together on this call. And we're aligned. What I mean by that is we're like-minded. We come together in harmony and cooperation for the better of all. And I love that because each and every one of us have a definite purpose, right? And a goal. And that is so important, guys, is to take action each and every day. Rome wasn't built overnight, right? And the other thing I was... another golden nugget that someone else shared is that a person told them, you know, and a way to help your health is to help your mindset. What you think about, you bring about. You know, you put junk in, you put junk out. Guys, turn on something inspirational. Listen to Wayne Dwyer, Joyce Myers, Joel Osteen, Paul Hutchins, Mike Hobbs, Amy Starr Allen, Paz Simpson, just so many people, Jesse Jenkins, just so many people that steer my soul, that push me forward, the wind beneath my wings. And I love it because this is one place that you can share a product and service of value through simplicity and putting people first. And I love that. And we're making a difference, not just in ourselves, but in the online space. I really believe the online space needs what we have. And what I mean by that is a community of like-minded people that want to see each other win. So if you want to learn more now how you can too, cash in on your passion, share whatever you're passionate about, right? Share a quality product through simplicity, putting people first. Hit the link in my bio, and I look forward to talking to you. See you on the other side. As always, do something good for somebody else in the space of knowing they can't repay. Have a great day.